Vencord stop working, themes and plugins, fix, Vencord stop working. Hello everyone, this is a step-by-step video so you can go ahead and follow along. Now if you don't know, Vencord is a modification for Discord where you can go ahead and put plugins and themes into the application. Now if you want to go ahead and fix this problem, basically all you have to do is to go ahead and click on your system tray. You can go ahead and do that by clicking on this button right here, and once inside you want to go ahead and right click Discord and you want to click on quit Discord. Right after clicking on quit Discord, you can just go ahead and open up your Windows logo, and from here you want to search for add or remove programs. Once inside, you want to completely uninstall Vencord. So you can just go ahead and search for it, and from here you want to click on uninstall. Right after uninstalling the application, you can just go ahead and install a new one. Therefore, you will go ahead and get rid of some glitches and bugs installed within the previous version of Vencord. So if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll see you again next time. Thank you.